Canada faced a year of extreme weather in 2025, with widespread wildfires topping Environment Canada's list of significant events. Over 89,000 square kilometers burned, particularly in Saskatchewan and Manitoba, where prolonged drought exacerbated the blazes. Tens of thousands were displaced, and half of Denare Beach, Saskatchewan, was destroyed. Drought deepened across the country, with water shortages impacting communities like Dawson Creek. These other notable events included severe thunderstorms in Ontario, a May heatwave intensifying Manitoba wildfires, a major ice storm in Ontario and Quebec, and significant snowstorms in eastern Canada. An Arctic Ocean storm surge flooded Tuktoyaktuk, N.W.T, and a powerful November storm hit Atlantic Canada. A late summer heatwave baked western Canada.